Okay, now I'm working on the left side from in front of the ear, vertical sections, and I'm going to over direct this hair back right to behind the ear. And take your time, make sure you really, comb those roots, get this hair nice and even, don't be sloppy about it. Over directing back, finding my guideline, again, picking up and looking for it, over my fingers, actually underneath my fingers, and gonna slightly open and close those blades as the siren goes outside. They're coming to get me. Okay. My next section, focus on where your fingers are in relationship to the head at all times. Over my fingers, looking for my guideline, picking up from underneath, and find your guide and go. Short to long. And disconnect. Also, too, when you're working, it's always good to assess your balance. Go in there, because this is cut very visually, so you always go back in and take a look. So I'm a little longer on this side, so you have to come back in and make it a little bit shorter. So over my fingers again. And short to long. Next section. Over my fingers, find your guideline, and go. Now I'm going to comb all this hair back away from the hairline. Find my guideline, pick up from your corner on the top, short to long. I know I'm repeating myself, but it's really important. Always assessing the balance, making sure your balance is right. Okay, cool. The top has been pre-cut, so even though it's layered, I still need to go through it. So what I'm going to do is I would cut this square anyway,